Hello, I'm Richard and this is the iStudio, where I help you get more from your iPad and iPhone. In this video we're going to take a look at using Airdrop on your iPad and iPhone. So the first thing we need to do is to set up Airdrop, and this can be done in two ways. The first is by going into your settings, then General, then Airdrop. In Airdrop you'll see three options. You can turn off receiving, or receive from your contacts only, or receive from everyone. If you leave this on this setting, anyone nearby can send you content which might not always be a good idea. I keep mine on contacts only. The second option is to swipe down or up on your device to access Control Center, depending on whether you're using an iPad or iPhone. Tap and hold this box here, tap Airdrop, and here you'll find the receiving options as before. So let's open up a web page. Locate the share button, tap that, and you'll see the Airdrop option. Now it's important to make sure the device you're sending content to is open. You can see I have a device open as indicated by the number 1. Tap the Airdrop icon and you'll see a list of available devices. In this case it's my iPhone. Tap it and you'll hear a beep, and the web page will now be open on the iPhone. We can also do this with pictures. As before, locate the share button, tap Airdrop, tap device, listen to the beep, and the picture will appear on the other device. So finally, make sure the person you're sending to is nearby and within Bluetooth and Wi-Fi range. Check that you and the person you're sending to have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth turned on. Turn off personal hotspots. Check if the person you're sending to has their Airdrop set to receive from contacts only and you're in their contacts list. If you aren't in their contacts, ask them to set their Airdrop receiving setting to everyone in order to receive the file. Well, that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.